Morpheus8 is an innovative needling system that delivers radio frequency energy when the needles are at the chosen tissue depth. 0 to 10, how bad is this?
1.5.
Awesome. Morpheus8 can be dialed superficially to target the dermis, or can be dialed deeper to target the fatty tissues to obtain adipose remodeling. We often tend to use a multi-depth treatment approach to optimize results and to target a number of skin concerns, which range from fine lines and wrinkles, skin texture, pore size, acne scarring, and even skin laxity. Morpheus8 can be used over most of the body and can be used on all skin types. Typical downtime is about 2 days, longer if the treatment is more aggressive. Uniform redness, which is normal. Little pinpoint oozing, which is also normal. He'll probably be red for probably 2 days, and little scabs maybe up to 4 until they fall. PRP can also be combined with Morpheus8 to enhance results and speed up healing time.